Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8.5 Samsung Internet Browser on your any Android device. Guys, actually Samsung recently released One UI 8.5 Samsung Internet Beta Browser on Play Store. Let me show you. Simply go to Play Store, search Samsung Internet Beta and look at these One UI 8.5 Samsung Internet available for all Android devices. Simply tap and install. After install, simply tap and open and look at these One UI 8.5 Samsung Internet Browser on your Android device. Simply tap and continue. Tap on next, start and look at these UI. Complete One UI 8.5 options, settings available on this browser. Look at these, all the options, settings, useful features. Look at these, autoplay videos, background play also available on this browser. If you go to layout and menus, you also set search bar on bottom or top, or you customize menu. Now if you tap more options, then you also change wallpaper, browser background. Look at these, all categories, abstract, flower, marine life, complete categories available on this browser. Simply select any one. Adjust like this. And simply tap on done. And look at these, wallpaper change on your Samsung Internet Browser. Now let me show you tabs. You also change tab layouts. Simply tap on view as and look at these, list, stack. So guys, you also install this One UI 8.5 new Samsung Internet on your any Android device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.